Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into a super quick and easy trick for Mac users: how to change the dock magnification. Ever notice how the icons in your dock zoom in when you hover your mouse over them? That's magnification, and you can totally customize it to your liking. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust the magnification level, and even turn it off completely if that's your jam. It's a simple tweak that can really improve your workflow and visual experience. Before we jump in, if you're finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to RoamTips.com for more awesome Mac and travel tips. Alright, let's get started. There are two ways to change this. Method 1. System Preferences, System Settings in Ventura and later. Okay, first up, let's go to System Preferences. If you're on Mac OS Ventura or later, it's now called System Settings, but don't worry, the steps are pretty much the same. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences, or System Settings on Ventura/later. Now look for Dock and Menu Bar, and click on it. In the Dock section, you'll find a slider labeled Magnification. Just drag the slider to the left to decrease the magnification, or to the right to increase it. You'll see the effect in real time on your dock. Cool, right? If you want to turn the magnification off completely, just uncheck the box next to magnification. Method 2. Using Terminal. Okay, if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can use the terminal to adjust the magnification. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Open the Terminal app. You can find it in Applications, Utilities. Type the following command and press Enter.
Default to right comme Apple.dock magnification, boule false.
This turns off the magnification. To turn it on and set the scale to 0.5, type this and hit Enter. Defaults right commed Apple dock magnification boule true. Defaults right comm Apple dock large eyes. Float 50.0, kill all dock. Adjust 50.0 to change scale, and adjust to your preferences.
Type qu'il a le dock and press Enter.
This will restart the dock, and your changes will take effect. If you ever want to go back to the default settings, just go back to System Preferences/Settings and adjust the slider. And that's it. You've successfully customized your dock magnification on your Mac. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, or if there are any other Mac tips you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching RoamTips.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next one.